Yo, what it do, YouTube? Been a minute since y'all seen me on this page, but life been lifing, man, and I had to adapt. So I had some priorities I had to focus on before I could come back. But you know, I still been doing shoe stuff. If you follow me on my socials, I've been still doing shoe stuff this whole time. I just haven't been posting YouTube videos that much. So I'm back on it now. You know, I'm in a situation where I can make videos and shoot content and have a little setup where, you know, yeah, so definitely got some more stuff coming soon. But today I got some 2012 military blue 4s for y'all boys that I did. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I did that shit like, it's probably been like a month and a half, 2 months now since I did that shit. Like, he already got the shoes back and everything. I can't even show them to y'all. But I got pictures and y'all gonna see in the video and blah, 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 all that stuff. But yeah, stay tuned, you know, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you got buddies that follow me, go ahead and tell them like, oh shit, CJ back, bro. He back on the shoes. Go ahead and tell them, you feel me? Because I'm back with a vengeance. You know what I'm saying? We streaming. You know what I'm saying? I have our stream names on the page, on the screen somewhere. We stream Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. You feel me? On Twitch and YouTube. I stream on Twitch. My girlfriend stream on YouTube. Again, I'll have the pages up here. It already had been up here. You feel me? So yeah, go ahead, lock in with us, and you know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all boys in the next video.
I started off by cleaning the laces and shoes. Had to get the tongue and netting. Tip when drying laces. Run the laces through your towel, they will dry faster. old paint with this. These military blue for South are 10 years old, so the missile was ready to start crumbling. After I'm finished, they should last another 5 years.
La 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 la, so high, so high, so high. La 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 la, so high, so high, so high. All angels sing from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a dream and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be miles up. When I was hurt, withered, dried up, you came to rain and
This was a little extra, but I wanted to make sure the surface was ready for paint.
I feel you coursing through my blood. Life is a drink, your love's about to make the stars come out.
Now for the fun part.
Feeling drunk and high, so high, so high.
Even layers and patience. Get all my paints from Angela's direct link in description. I finished up the blue and started working on the white. I forgot to show it, but I'm using flat white from Angelus. Sheesh. Crispy-F. No tape needed. That boy hands blessed. I let them dry for 8 to 10 hours. Now for the protective coat. Yes, I got this from Angelus as well. You do not want to apply this to heavy. It will leave white AO stains wherever you apply too much.
Cê é louco, meu Deus!
Heat gun helps it lock and twin. Not too much heat though.